My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site Nerybelfaste.xyz. It's a site that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help them continue their browsing. But to click on allow is dangerous and risky. Because of that, your browser may be hijacked. You may be redirected to some other malicious and filthy content, and also you may start getting the great portion of advertisements in the right part of the screen. So make sure you do something to fix your browser, otherwise these ads will keep attacking your screen, and some of them may be filthy. I have hidden this bad content from your eyes, by the way. So to block these ads, go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions, and then choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this junk site, make sure you remove it from the list. We also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start carefully researching and investigating the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.